Hello, I'm Ray Smith, and I'm here to help you in your Forex journey. I have a report I want to read to you, and it's Trade Ideas Honest Report. And what I want to do for you is to help you in your Forex journey. I've been trading currencies for 12 years. It's wonderful. It can be very profitable. But I'm telling you, the advice that you get is critical, especially until you learn the up and downs and get information for yourself. So, again, I want you to leverage this report that I give you, okay? And with all the other information that you already have, okay? And just put this into your decision making. Just put it all together, make a good sound decision that is not rushed, okay? But this is trade ideas. Now, again, I had another report, the top five trading, Forex trading, top five Forex trading. You really need to listen to this, okay? Because it gives you what each is best at, okay? But right now, we're going to talk about Trade Ideals. It's really a great company, but you need to decide for yourself, okay? So it says, this is a report. It says, and of course, the way they do this. Are you tired of manual shifting through endless amounts of market data for trade opportunities? And the reason why we're saying this, I've done another video on the best for beginners. Now, as I read this report, you want to see that this is for people who are more advanced. I'm not saying that beginners can't start with trade deals, but still, I believe that if you already have got your foot, if you already been in Forex trading and have some experience, Trade Ideas may be what could put you over the top. It says here, look no further than Trade Ideas, a leading provider of real-time market scanning tools. In this article, we can take an in-depth look at Trade Ideas and provide an honest review of their services, including their flagship product, the Trade Ideas Scanner. Before we dive into the specifics of Trade Ideas, let's start with a brief overview of what they offer. And this is good because you want to understand the background and all sort of things. You want an overall, idea of who they are, how long they've been around. Trade Ideas provides traders with a suite of tools designed to help them identify profitable trading opportunities in real time. Their flagship product, the Trade Ideas Scanner, uses artificial intelligence, which is really popular today, right? And machine learning algorithm to scan the market and identify potential trades based on their user-identified criteria. Trade Ideas was founded in 2003 by Dan Merkin and is headquartered in California. Since its inception, Trade Ideas has been at the forefront of innovation in the trading industry, consistently introducing new and powerful tools designed to help traders stay ahead of the game. And like I'm saying, this is really for more advanced traders, okay? Trade Ideas offers a variety of features that are designed to help traders identify potential trades quickly and easily. Here are some of the key features of their platform. The Trade Ideas Scanner is the flagship product, as we said before, of Trade Ideas. It uses artificial intelligence, okay? Holy AI is Trade Ideas' artificial intelligence engine. It uses machine learning algorithm to analyze market data and predictions about future market movements. Holy AI is integrated into the Trade Ideas Scanner and provide users with real-time alerts when potential trades are identified. Brokerage Plus is Trade Ideas trading automation platform. It allows users to link their brokerage account to the Trade Ideas platform and automatically executes trades based on signals generated by the Trade Ideas Scanner. Trade Ideas offers a variety of educational resources designed to help traders learn more about the markets and how to trade. Their educational platform includes webinars, videos, tutorials, and a comprehensive knowledge base. All right. Now that we've covered the basics of Trade Ideas, the basics, so you understand why this is for someone who's more advanced. Okay. Let's look a closer look at their flagship product, the Trade Ideas Scanner. The scanner is a powerful tool that allows traders to quickly and easily identify potential trading opportunities, as we've read before. All right. One of the key features of the Trade Ideal Scanner is customization options. Users can create their own scans based on a variety of factors, including price, volume, and technical indicators. This allows traders to focus on the criteria that are most important to them and filter out noise in the market. The Trade Ideal Scanners provides real-time data allowing traders to identify, and we said that again, but this is something that's really important, real-time. See, you want to understand the market can change quickly, all right? And so you want to have something that is in real time. So like when you're trading, because so much can happen, I mean, within minutes, and I'm not saying it's going to happen within in a few seconds, but still, you want to jump on it right away, because that can be the difference of making money, hundreds of dollars or thousands of dollars, how quickly you can make your decisions, okay? It says here, another powerful feature of Trade Ideal Scanner is its back testing capabilities. Traders can test their strategies against historical data to see how they would perform in the past. This can help traders refine their strategies and identify potential weaknesses. I think that's very good. If you are a trader looking for a powerful tool to help you identify potential trading opportunities, consider giving Trade Ideals a try. With their advanced artificial intelligence and machine learning algorithms, customized scans, and real-time data, the Trade Ideal Scanner is a powerful tool that can help you stay ahead of the game. Sign up, and we'll have a link below. Sign up for a free trial today and see for yourself why Trade Ideals is trusted by traders all around the world. Don't miss out on potential profits. Give Trade Ideals a try. And see, we want to help you. We are looking for the best places, the best companies that you will profit, the ones that are the most solid, all right? And so we have researched this. So after you try this, this company, please get back with us and give us, your review, all right, of what Trade Ideals is doing. And we're going to include that as we continue the videos. But again, try it, to have a great background. It's a great product. And just give it a try and see what happens, all right? God bless.